Assalamu alaikum. Now welcome to UTTC. Today we want to know about Mockup. What is Mockup? Do you know what is Mockup? Mockup is the very important for any freelancer. When you make a design, that time you will be display your design. So Mockup is the very important for display your design. So now today I want to see how can you use this Mockup. Okay, so I hope that you already completed your design. Like as I already completed design. This is my design. Now it's this design I will be I will set in this file. So how can I set here? So we can see now. So at first I open my layer function, and there is the layer function. So here see that there is an link of layer. So here you can click here by your right mouse into two click. So now I click here, and that time open a new place. Where is the Mockup place? So just I can browse my picture and set here. Okay, now I open and browse. Where is my picture? Is desktop. So I can take any type of design. Okay, so I just like this picture. I will stay here. So open, and I can see where the new places is here, and now I can take down. It's here. So just I can take and drop down here. Okay, now Control T, free transform, and I can just adjust here, right? Okay, just adjust here. So just it's a very easy process. So you can adjust here in your design very seriously and very easily. So just you can see there haven't any type of picture. So that's why when I will take this here picture and next I save, and next and save. So we can see here. Okay, just you can see here this picture is available in here. Okay, this is the Mockup, and this is the Mockup system. So easily we improve any type of design in Mockup here. So that time you can question me that how I can take a Mockup. So a lot of site you can download Mockup. I just favor the free pick. Free pick is the very important and very easy process for download any type of Mockup. That you search a calendar Mockup. Just I search a calendar Mockup, and you can download here any type of Mockup. So when you can download here, that time download folder are available here, and you just like right click and extract to folder name. That time you extract a folder here, and EPS file, PSD file you should to open. Just you can open here is by the Adobe Photoshop. So this is another process. So I hope that you know about what is Mockup and how can you use this Mockup. It's very easily. So thank you very much for watching my video.